Hello everyone and welcome back to Sam and the Cup of Doom. We are on day 24. That means we're a week away now. 1 week left, people. And hopefully enough prompts. I did count them actually. I think I've got enough for the rest of the week. We'll find out, won't we? Right, one is in my hand. It's lined. Is that good news? I can't remember. Oh. Justice for Boromir. Yes, Boromir was shortchanged. Yes, right. This is the sun. Justice for Boromir. Okay, I can get behind this. This is a political movement I can understand. Boromir. So, this is what I've done. Justice for Boromir. We have Pippin and Merry with signs saying hero, pointing at Boromir. Bullseye. Yes. Yes. Okay. Lord of the Rings Boromir. Did I have to say that? I don't know. He's a fallible hero. Yes, but he's us. And in the end, he died trying to protect them. And his last breaths, he pledged allegiance to Aragorn and wanted him to go and save his city. Timmy, could you stop having a fit in the corner? That would be nice. There we go. Scratch yourself. That'll do better. Now, basically, in between filming the other thing and me doing this, my Artsnacks box for October got delivered. So I'm going to attempt to do this with whatever is in this box. I've opened the box, taken everything out, washed my hands. Timmy, the couch is your friend. Timmy, thank you. Right. And we've got this. Right, so it is the, October. It is the October one. So we have got this cutie little bottle of Indian ink. What is it from? I can't even see that. I can't even make out who's made this. Who's made this? It's Royal Talons. I can't even see that written on there. Is my eyesight? Oh, look, there you go. Royal Talons. It's Royal Talons India ink in black. A matte black, apparently. And then we've got... there. Ooh. Oh, okay. So we've got, this is good because most of my ones have gone a bit gross because I don't wash things properly like I should. So we've got a dip pen with a little dip pen nib and a dip pen thing. There's a thing. Oh, okay. We have got an ink brush. Is that in blue? This is the Senilia ink brush, $7.95 retail. For 130 years, Senilia, I think that's what it is, has combined traditional art making with modern chemistry. That's lovely. What's this? This brush pen is filled with highly transparent, ink-tense watercolour ink that flows smoothly from fine synthetic bristles, and it looks blue. So, a blue brush pen. We've also got a paint marker. Now, am I allowed to use this? Am I being a bit pedantic with this? Do you? Last time I tried to pump something, it wasn't a pumpy thing, and the nib ended up there, which is annoying because it was good. But okay, so we've got a Plumchester white. Timmy, thank you. A white paint marker. I'm dubious about whether I'm supposed to use that or not. And a Winsor Newton fine liner in. I can practice on this. Hi. In brown, okay. So we have a brown fine liner, a blue brush pen, a white paint marker, and some black ink. Okay. Oh, and a cute sticker. I can work with this. Okay, I was going to do like a fast forward draw, but I've just opened this and look. What? Why? What? Do you just? Ooh. Well, that's interesting. I wonder if you could actually... Are you supposed to do this? It doesn't say that you do this. I assume this... Do you pump it? Why does that exist? I keep moving out of frame. I'm so excited by this. Why? I mean, ooh. Ooh, I wonder if I could... That's weird. Is it supposed to be like a little paintbrush? I don't know. It's adorable. I'm going to use a dip pen, but it is adorable. Just thought I'd stop and show you that. I've also discovered something else. This is the blue pen, but this isn't white. This is orange. So that's a thing. I still don't know if I can use it because it's paint. Oh, should I be naughty? Oh, maybe. So I used all of it. There's some things I prefer than others. I think that's always going to happen in a subscription box. I like in subscription boxes because generally, sometimes you get stuff you've already had, but a lot of the time you get something new that you wouldn't, like if you had to buy a whole pack of them, like either of these pens. If you had to buy a whole pack, that's a big risk to take to try something new, but just one of them, you get to try it and see if you like it. But yeah, this dip pen, it was nice. It worked. It didn't glob at all, that I noticed anyway. I guess watching this back now, I can check. But it didn't glob. It didn't, come out in one big load. It was quite consistent. I seem to have to fill it up more often than other ones I have. I don't know if that's just a thing. I think it's quite thin. But yeah, I had to sort of dip, and I know I'm not supposed to dip right into there. You're not supposed to dip into the actual thing because you could form, mold and gross stuff. But yeah, I did. But anyway, yeah, I like this one. It's a nice dip pen. It's a nice ink. This is the Royal Talens ink. I'm in a different room now, so I can't check. But yeah, they seem to be consistent with their stuff. So anyway, there's our little Pippin. He's got lighter hair, I think. I wasn't quite sure what to do. I just used this stuff. I didn't use anything else. Well, I did just use a jelly roll in the end. I admit it, I did. So I wanted to do the line work and then use the ink with water to do shading and stuff. So, I think I took a bit more time. Apologies to Sean Bean. I did my best. In the time that I have and the skill that I have, I did my best for our Sean. But yeah, this is Sean Bean, everybody. Yeah, Boromir here. I wanted him to look kind of or content, maybe, is the look I'm going for. Because spoiler warning for if you haven't seen Lord of the Rings, but yeah, he dies. He does try and take the ring. Okay, and lots of people think that he's a bad guy, but no, he's not. He's a human, is what he is. He's not half elf. He's not, a noble hobbit. He's us, basically. He's a human, and we are fallible. And yeah, the ring called to him, and he did try, but in the end, he dies trying to protect Merry and Pippin, which means, they're standing here with their sign saying hero, pointing at him with arrows. Yes, the arrows were a thing, because he essentially dies with like 20 arrows in him, at least, and at least 20 orcs lying around dead. So he held his own. But yeah, I wasn't sure, do I stick a load of arrows in him? That would have been funnier. But I didn't want to, I wanted to be respectful, so that there may be arrows around him, but not in him. That was a creative choice that I made. Yeah, so essentially he does die trying to save Merry and Pippin. And his last words are, go and protect my city. So he dies a hero. He is a hero. He's fallible. He's not perfect. He has a moment of weakness. Yes, okay. But he's still a hero. So yes, justice for Boromir. That's what I say. So I'm using this. I didn't really know what else to do with this. So I use it for this brown liner for the wood effect. And this is actually a really thick pen, and I still managed it, but it was difficult getting it in these little bits. It was very sort of blobby, but it's a nice paint pen, you know. It's a perfectly servable paint pen. Can't say much more about it, but I liked it, and I really like this colour. I think I like orange, mainly because of pumpkins. But there you go. I used everything. You got to give me that. So yeah, I'm just shading his face in a little bit now. I'm trying to get the cheekbones going. Really am. I'm still, again, learning with the shading and everything else. But I quite like this one. I like his hair. I thought more about the hair and what direction the hair would go in and that kind of thing. And the others, they've got kind of, you know, this curly, long curly hair like most hobbits have. But I'm happy enough with it. I'm content with this. Shall we call it that? Again, it's not amazing, and I still want to get better, but I'm happy enough with it, definitely. But hopefully I respected Boromir and gave him a decent, you know, a decent show. But yeah, Boromir, justice. That's what we want. But as for the Artsnacks box, I'm happy with it. Those brush pens I can't get the hang of. I was gonna do I do it in a bit, but I was gonna do a blue. I wanted to do a yellow circle around him, like, because it's like his ring, you know. In the end, you know, he gets his he gets his justice in the end, and that's his ring was the idea. But I got this blue and I had to use it, so I was gonna do the whole of the back there. You can just see the half circle in this blue, but I can't get the hang of it. It's very streaky. I don't do well with watermarkers. I don't, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong exactly, but I don't like them very much, to be honest. I like alcohol markers because they spread and they calm themselves down, if that makes sense. You know, they spread out and make themselves flat, and I like that. Water marker's not my thing. It's a pretty colour, and it's a good water marker if it's your thing. It's just not mine. And yeah, so I just do a little half circle, just a little one, kind of making it look like I meant it to be rough, because it's rough. But yeah, and then I'm just trying to do different tones of this black. I ended up with like 4. One of them literally just water with a little sprinkling of it in, and then 1 drop, and then 2 drops, and then like 4 drops to make it almost black. So I think I'm getting it. But I wanted this is Merry. I wanted his hair to be a bit darker. I think it seems darker, or like it would be darker, if that makes sense. So I wanted his to be a bit darker. Looking at it, I think it's all right. I think so. And then they're holding their signs. Merry's kind of jauntily holding his. Yeah. So I'm happy with this, actually. As I said right from the beginning, I don't do faces. Not really. I not my thing. But I'm trying, and I really try. I pulled up pictures of them, and I tried to do the actual actors as best as I could. But there you go. So here's the jelly roll, just to do a little bit in their eyes, and then the blue. But yeah, there you go. That is justice for Boromir. As long as he's got this embroidery on his top, so I used it for the embroidery look as well. But yeah, justice for Boromir. Spread it around. He needs justice. You see how funny this is? See, it's really, I had to pump, and it was really sketchy, and yeah, not my thing. But anyway, there you go. Justice for Boromir. But I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. It'd be awesome if you were subscribed. I won't bother you too much, I promise. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And, well, back again tomorrow, I suppose. Yeah. Oh, yeah, there's more arrows pointing at him. But anyway, yeah. Bye.